Hi everyone, my name is Jeet Sir. I'm the product manager here at CAST for our TSN course. CAST has been an IP company that's been around for 30 years. Yes, we were founded 30 years ago, and we're happy to be Lattice partners. So today we're going to demonstrate our TSN capabilities, particularly our TSN Endpoint. Now our TSN Endpoint is just one port, but we also do support a TSN switched endpoint and a TSN switch. Our TSN switch does go up to 24 ports, so if you're interested in that, please let us know. From a high level, let me explain what we're going to do here. So we have two TSN endpoints that are talking to each other through our MSA 5, which is also our RISC-V CPU that CAST provides. Lattice has been so kind to provide some FPGA boards to us. We have a CertusPro here and a CertusPro here, each representing an endpoint. So this board right here is actually our master board, and this right here is our slave board. So what we're going to demonstrate is PTP synchronization, AS2020, and this is essentially synchronizing all the clocks within the nodes of your computer network. So naturally, for mission critical applications and markets, this is very important. Aerospace, the industrial world, automotive, all of them are really migrating to TSN. So as I had said before, we have our board here, our Lattice CertusPro. This is our master board, and this is our slave board. The terminal here on the right represents this board. The terminal on the left here represents this board, which is the slave board. So currently the PTP is synchronized between the two boards. They are talking to each other. So what you can see here is that the timestamps on both terminals are the same. So both are showing that it's December 4th, 2023, about 2:29 p.m. As you can see, both terminals are showing this. So right now the PTP sync is active, and you have sub-microsecond latency. So what we're going to do now is we're going to disconnect both boards. And what that will do is this will remain the master, but this slave board, because it's not talking to the master board, it's going to revert to a master as well. And because they're not talking to each other, there's no PTP sync. And this board is actually going to have a different timestamp that is inaccurate. So we're going to disconnect it, and you'll see. So we just made the disconnection. As you can see here on our left-hand terminal, the timestamp is July 14th, 2017. We're not time travelers, so naturally this is an inaccurate timestamp about 6 years ago. So what we're going to do now is reestablish the connection. Okay, that's the PTP sync, and now you can see it's gone back to December 4th, 2023. So as you can see, very quickly the PTP sync is established, and now both terminals are talking to each other, both endpoints are talking to each other, and they have a PTP synchronization. Another aspect of our core, what we can do is we can actually, through the master, what we can do is set the time. So I'm just going to demonstrate it. I'll put it to Christmas just to get in the holiday spirit. Okay, so we've set it to December 25th. Naturally, now you can see that the timestamp here is December 25th, 2023. Thanks for joining. Thanks for letting us display our TSN capabilities here at CAST. If you have any further information, please visit the CAST website, www.castinc.com. Thank you.